Hello, welcome back to Let's Talk channel. Today we are going to see little known facts about Albert Einstein. Let's move to the video. Albert Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. When his grandmother first saw him, she called him stupid. He did not talk until he was 4 years old, and he liked to repeat words and sentences over and over until he was about 7. All thought that he loved learning, he did not like the school. When he was a little boy, he would force on things he cared about, like building a house of cards 14 stories high. He was fascinated by the compass his father gave him. Why does the needle always point north? He wondered. He did well in all subjects he liked and simply ignored the subject he does not like. He hated memorization. He loved geometry and algebra, and nobody taught him these subjects. He did not it all by himself. He always tried to prove different maths theory on his own. When he was young, he did not like violin at all. At the age of 13, he heard Mozart's music and that completely changed his mind. From that day, he loved playing the violin and the piano. He said, "If I were not a physicist, I would probably be a musician. I often think in music. I live my daydream in music. I see my life in terms of music." He loved to use his imagination. He said imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination is encircles the world. Einstein was bit disorganized. He often forget appointments and his lecture were different to understand. He had uncombed hair and never owned socks. Even at posh dinner, he would arrive all untidy with cribbed clothes and of course no socks. He rocked the world with his theory of relativity. His brain was preserved by scientists because they wanted to find a reason of his unmatched intellect. He was a man who knew all about success and failures. He once said, "Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new." That's all, guys. We know little about Albert Einstein, and now I'm going to say an incident happened in Einstein's life. Once Einstein was traveling from Princeton on a train. When the conductor came and punching the tickets of every passenger. When he came to Einstein, he would not find ticket anywhere. The conductor said, "Dr. Einstein, I know who are you. I'm sure you bought a ticket." As conductor was ready to move, he was turned around and saw the great physicist down on his hand and knee, looking under his seats for his ticket. Conductor said again, "No problem, you don't need a ticket." Einstein looked at him and said, "Young man, I too know who I am. What I don't know is where I am going." The conductor was shocked and very excited to see this replay. Every scientist have a pension amount after their old age. As same, the pension of $7,500 per year was refused by Einstein as being too generous, and he had it reduced to $6,000 per year. This shows the kind heart of Albert Einstein. He bought a modest house, walked to work, and never owned a car. That's all, guys. We really know many things about Albert Einstein. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, click the like, comment in the describe about the video, share to your friends, subscribe and click the bell icon near it to get the notification from Let's Talk channel. Thanks for watching.